पहले गाना गई वो नहीं तब तो चला कमल निशानिया चला हो सखी वोट डारे। आई वांट टू क्रिएट ओरिजिनल फिल्म। तो मैं ट्रेन्ड एक्टर हूँ, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे जैसे बहुत बच्चे ट्रेन हो जाए। दिल्ली को तुझी को और उस राख से बने बारूद को योगी। और मैं चाहूंगा कैमरा दिखाए कि जहाज भी लैंड हो रहा है, कितना इसको कहते हैं सुंदर विकास। क्या पानी के क्रूज पर हैं, आप गोवा में नहीं हैं। हाँ, ये मुंबई की फ्लाइट आई है। आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट बिकॉज मैं तो नेता नहीं, आई एम नॉट एन, और मैं नेता शायद कभी बन नहीं पाऊंगा। मैं एक सेवक हूँ बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम अ हम्बल बैकग्राउंड। देखिए हमारे क्रूज का पनीर है। अच्छा। और आपको और पूरा शहर और बिहार से भी लोग आते हैं और हाँ, और आपको ये स्पाइसी है। सुबह की गारंटी मैं नहीं देता हूँ। मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना, आप महिलाओं में इतनी ताकत आई है ना, ऐसे रहना। कल का वोट दे के आई हो? किसको? जाति समीकरण ध्वस्त है क्योंकि ये प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का चुनाव।
चीयर्स अलाउड है कि चीयर्स अलाउड नहीं है? चाहिए कि चीयर्स? आप भी परेशान हो रहे हैं?
सब कुछ अलाउड है
कि हमारा वोट न कट जाए। नहीं। Now the thing, Dr. Patra, is you lost a very close election in Puri in the last Lok Sabha elections. What makes you confident that this time you'll actually win and not end up like a good fight?
So first and foremost, I have the Prime Minister's blessing in the sense he has done tremendous work in the last 10 years. That is our report card, you know, number one. Number two, last time I lost by a tender margin of only 11,000 votes. I got 5,27,000 votes. I had only 16 days to campaign. This time, I have stayed in Puri for the last 5 years. I have not left Puri for a single day. Me, without being the Member of Parliament also, in the last 5 years, have literally acted as a Member of Parliament. She has got the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and that's why he's saying that this time all the votes that we are going to give is to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul, this is the report card that I have released of the work that I have done in the last 5 years. I believe I have been the only candidate who had lost the last election, but who still has released a report card as to what we have done in the last 5 years.
अच्छा, ऐसे लूजर का रिपोर्ट कार्ड भी आता है क्या? मैंने कभी देखा नहीं ऐसे रनर अप रिपोर्ट कार्ड।
This is how politics should be. It should be politics of performance. It should not be politics of rest. So whatever we have done, the central projects that we have brought in over here, because of our effort in Delhi, because of Narendra Modi ji, whatever we have done individually over here also, through CSR projects, etc., all those things have been a kind of...
Actually, I've never seen this, like a runner-up report card, which is interesting. So, Dr. Patra, there are two elections being fought. One is for the Lok Sabha, the other is for the Assembly. Do you concede that, after completing 5 terms, Naveen Patnaik is still the odds-on favourite to be able to hold the Odisha Assembly? And somehow, unlike, say, a Tripura or a Mizoram, Manipur, where you've been involved, here the BJD continues to remain strong at the assembly level.
I don't think so. I didn't think so. I don't think so. I believe this time it's all about Modi. The BJD has gone weak.
Even the assembly election is about Modi.
Yes, it's all about Modi.
Why should it be about Modi? It should be about your local people.
I'll tell you the reason as to why. People across the country today, and in Orissa also, they have realized that development is synonymous to Modi. You know, in Chhattisgarh also, I'll tell you, if you see, there is an undercurrent. In Chhattisgarh, most of the BJP Karyakartas, the spokespersons also, were not very confident in pronouncing that we would be forming the government. None of us, kaisa hoga? पिछली बार से अच्छा होगा. That is what we were saying. That you, Prime Minister was the only man who said, मैं बोल रहा हूँ छत्तीसगढ़ में हमारी सरकार बनेगी. The situation in Orissa is similar this time. There is a huge undercurrent which if you try to take the pulse of, you would realize. And this undercurrent is going to translate itself not only into the MP seats, but into MLA seats as well.
When you're in the election commission, your job is to enforce the model code of conduct. when you're a politician, you know, you're typically always talking about how the moral code of conduct is short-sighted, doesn't see the larger picture, is impractical. Since you've been on both sides, what do you think is wrong with the way Indian elections are conducted?
I think more than the model code, I would say that the ceiling, the expenditure ceiling which is kept for the candidates is completely impractical. So if we have to do streamlining of elections in the country, it should start from making the ceiling realistic.
How much should it be at the bare minimum?
I'm not able to put a figure to it. Good thing is that for Parliament they have increased it substantially now. It's about 90 lakhs. But still I would say that it won't suffice.
Jai Jagannath!
This is just your second day on the campaign trail. So how is it that so many people seem to connect with you?
I am also not sure. Honestly, when I went last time to do district visits in Grievance, I felt there is a strong connect with people. Perhaps the work I have been doing with the Honorable Chief Minister for so many years, maybe the good work what he is doing, the values for which Naveen Patnaik is known for, perhaps people think or people feel that has rubbed inside me as well. That is the respect or the love and the affection people have for me. It's all to do with Mr. Naveen Patnaik.
Mr. Pandian, one of the biggest questions in Odisha politics is about, you know, what happens to the BJD in a post-Naveen Babu scenario. Man, and I hope to God that he's healthy and hale for as long as is possible. But, you know, this is really one of the most talked about issues in the state. And the question then really is, will the BJD exist as a party once Naveen Babu, the patriarch, isn't there? Or will it just fragment and splinter? What's your sense?
BJD is seen as one of the most successful regional parties in the country. Electorally, if you see, they have one of the best strike rates in the country. He is known for this meticulous planning. If I may call so, BJD is his baby. He will definitely not want it to be orphaned, and he'll have solid plans.